Hi everyone, it's Jade here. Just popping in, wanting to show you my latest DIY project for a TV stand that I created. Well, sort of zhuzhed up, and I'll talk you through my inspiration for it, some of the items that I used to put it together, and why I did this. So prior to getting this TV, I had a 32-inch TV. And the TV stand that I had it on was a 45-inch. This is a lot larger, so as you can imagine, the old TV stand was just too short for it. So that put me on the market for a TV stand, but I didn't want to pay like a lot of money, right? Regardless, I kept looking, and I saw this beautiful one on Target for $300. I love it, natural wood. I love the bamboo look of it. My apartment has like a boho kind of theme, so I thought it looked great, except again I didn't want to pay $300 for a TV stand. So I got the idea to try and do one myself. Went to my lumber yard. I got a nice piece of plywood that extended just beyond the length of the TV. Bought me some contact paper from Amazon. I used the 2 rolls, about $6 for this, very inexpensive. The fabric that you're seeing there is actually not quite fabric. It's a burlap mat that I got from Michael's. This cost me like $4. The lumber cost me like $15, by the way. That gold trim you see right there, that's actually a pair, which I'll just zoom out so you see it. That's actually a pair of picture frames that I thrifted. Each was like $4, I think it was, so I paid $8 for it. I used Elmer's glue to stick the burlap onto the face of the frames, and then I used 2-sided tape like this that I got from Home Depot to attach it to, I actually forgot to mention it, for the front of it, I bought these particle board from Home Depot, a huge piece for like $8, and I cut it to size. And so I used the 2-sided tape, right? Zoom it right here, to stick it onto it. I covered the particle board with the contact paper. I covered everything with the contact paper. And what I used to actually, also to give myself some options, let's say I decided I didn't want this to be something permanent, or I changed my mind later on. I used these fasteners that I got from Home Depot, along with some more 2-sided tape to put everything together, right? And so whenever I wanted to get in, because the old TV stand is hollow, all I do is just pull it out. So what was once a 45-inch TV stand that I got from Amazon just became a beautifully homemade $300 looking TV stand that I'm proud of. And so I just wanted to share that with everyone. Like and subscribe. I'm very proud of this. I hope I explained it enough for you to do it and try it out. And thank you for your time. Bye.